So I made cottage cheese ice cream again, and I used, it's been in for like 2 hours. And this is a big tubby thing, so. But you can see the swirls of the peanut butter that I put. So here we go for tasty taste. Wait, I want one more. And because it's not frozen, it's kind of like a pudding. But it's 2 scoops of level 1, 3 cups of cottage cheese, or 1 container of cottage cheese. I put about a cup of milk in it because it's super thick with the 2 scoops of the level 1 ice cream sandwich. And then 4 tablespoons of the Hershey's cocoa powder.
Sorry.
My son's crushing up his ramen noodles. And then there's like 2 tablespoons of peanut butter in here, and then I just threw a few chocolate chips on the top. Dude. They're so good. Okay. Now I'm done. So, here's your spoon. Son's gonna try it. Taste it. What do you think? It tastes like ice cream, doesn't it?
Very chunky. I like it. Like, I think I might have to drink something, but
it's like ice cream.
Yeah, I know, but it just
doesn't taste like cottage cheese, does it?
No, not really.